In this video, we will learn how to enroll students to Zenler course on new Kartra sales automatically. So imagine that you have created a course in Kartra software and you want whenever a sale happen of your course, the same person should be automatically enrolled to a Zenler course as a student. And to do this automation, I just need to integrate Kartra and Zenler together with the help of an automation software, and any non-technical person can create this automation. Just follow my video till end. So come to my screen. So this is the website of that automation software Pabbly Connect, with which we are going to create automation in between Kartra and Zenler. And you can also reach to this website by typing pabbly.com/connect and create your account first, which is absolutely free, and you will also get free task to test this automation, to create this automation. I am already an existing user, that is why I have clicked on sign in and then clicking on access now, and you will see I will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now from this blue button create workflow, I'm going to start creating my automation and give any random name to your workflow. I have given the name as course purchased in Kartra, enroll user to course in Zenler. Now click on this blue button and you will see two boxes in front of you, which are actually trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. Our automation is going to work on this concept only. Let me tell you with an example. Whenever a sale happen in a payment gateway application, let's say send an email via Gmail application. So basically we need to select the applications in which we need to create the automation. According to our use case, we want that whenever a sale happen in Kartra application, so that is why here as my trigger application, I'm going to choose Kartra here. Okay, I want that whenever a sale happen in Kartra application, okay, let me search for the trigger event. Okay, so that will be course purchased, I guess. Let me search for it. When customer buys the product. Okay, so whenever a customer purchase the product, whenever sale happen in Kartra software, add the user automatically to Zenler application, but I will do the Zenler step later. Okay, so you can see as soon as I have selected these two things, the app and the trigger event, a webhook URL and some set of instructions are actually visible here. So the idea here is, first I am going to connect Kartra with the Pabbly Connect, and I will then capture the data of Kartra here in Pabbly Connect, and once I will capture the data here, I will send that data to Zenler application, and this is how I'm going to create this automation. How you can do it? Again, the instructions are given here. You just need to copy this URL. Okay, go to your Kartra account, all right, and navigate to this particular section. I'm going to click here directly. Okay, you can also reach there by following this particular path. Okay, so basically it is asking me to paste the webhook URL here. Okay, you can see it, what it is saying, waiting for webhook response. Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission and record, so that data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So basically we need to generate a webhook response, and how we can do this? Click on this change, paste the webhook URL which you have copied from Pabbly Connect. Remove this HTTPS, okay, because it is already existed here. And now click on the event. What event we have? Well, we want that whenever customer buys the product. Okay, select the product. Well, which product? I have created a course in Kartra which I am going to sell it. Okay, let me show you my particular course. Here you can see I have enabled the test mode because I am creating this automation just for video, just to tell you how you can do it. Okay, and my course is actually PHP course. Okay, this is the course which I am selling. Let me take you to the checkout of this course. Okay, the checkout page, and you can see this is the checkout page. I'm going to copy this link and paste it here, and let's open this particular link. Okay, so this is the course, the PHP course which I'm planning to sell via Kartra, and I want that whenever someone purchase the course from here, the same user should be added to Zenler, should be enrolled as a student to a Zenler course. Okay, come back here and Okay, I was about to select the course. My course is PHP. I want to enroll the students whenever customer purchase the product, I want to enroll them in this particular course. Now it is asking again the PHP course. What is the price? Let's select any price for now. Click on add. Now click on this save button and you will see our webbook response, not the webbook response, the webbook URL has been created here. Okay, now going back to Pabbly Connect, and as per the instructions I am going to do a test submission. So what is test submission here? Basically a test sale. Okay, so I am going to make a purchase, just a dummy purchase. Okay, so a dummy user is purchasing this particular course, PHP course. The email address is admin@pabblytudes.com and this is the address. Click on continue. Well, the course is just of $1. This is only a test order. Submit payment and you will see the purchase will made. Okay. So the course has been purchased. Let me go back to Pabbly Connect and see the response. Yes, you can see a response has been received. A response has been received, just received. And the details is the name of the user is dummy user. Admin@pabblytudes.com is the email address. Here is the course name. So that means the first step of our integration, which is connecting Kartra and Pabbly connection, is actually successful because we are actually getting the webbook response here. Now onwards, whenever the course will be whenever the course will be purchased, which course? The PHP course will be purchased, the data will be captured here. Now moving further, I'm going to select the Zenler application because I want to add the very same user who has purchased the course here in Zenler. But before I connect Zenler with Pabbly Connect, I need to specify somewhere clearly that I want on the purchase of this particular course only, the user should be enrolled into Zenler, but not on the purchase of other products. All right, so how and where I'm going to do this? Well, you just need to click on this plus button, and here in the plus button you will find a feature of Pabbly Connect filter. Okay, this is a very nice feature of Pabbly Connect, using which you can specify several kinds of condition. And here my condition is going to be, well, I can actually select the condition how whenever the course purchased, the name of the product should be equal to this. In that case only this automation should work, otherwise stop this workflow, stop this automation. So here I'm going to choose the product name. Now I don't need to copy this particular label and the product name for specifying the condition. You can see the above data has already visible here. I just need to select those labels and those product names. So here I want that whenever the product name, okay, where is the product name? You can see here is the product name. All right, whenever the product name is equal to PHP course, well, make sure that you copy the exact values, otherwise your automation may stop even after your condition is actually true if you will do some typo error here. Okay, click on save and send test request, and of course this time the response will be true, the condition will be true. Why? Because this time the product is actually PHP course only. That is why the condition is true. If the product purchased was completely different, in that case here you will find the false. Okay, in that case the automation won't work, and we want exactly the same. Now I want that whenever the course is purchased, and if that course is equal to the PHP course only, in that case enroll the user to a Zenler course. Okay, and click on connect, basically click on add new connection and provide these details so that you can connect your Zenler account with Pabbly Connect. Instruction for the same is already given. You just have to enter the API key. From where you will find the API key? Let me take you to the Zenler account and we will find the API key. Click on this site option, and in the left hand side you will find the API key option under the developer section. Okay, click here, and from here exactly we are going to copy our API key. This is the API key. Okay, copy and paste it here. Now it is asking for the school or account. Enter the name of your school / account. If your URL is this particular, then your school account name is Pabbly. So in this particular URL the school name is PBLY. So according to our Zenler URL, our school name will be which one? The Pabbly one. Okay, that is why by following these instructions, I have copied the school name and pasted here. Now going to click on save, and you will see the Zenler account will be connected to Pabbly Connect. Now it is asking for the course ID. So in which particular course you would like to enroll the students. So you can see whatever the courses I have created in my Zenler account is actually visible here. Let me show you. This is the course section of Zenler, and you can see there are several courses, and I want to enroll the students in this particular course. That is why I'm going to select the same. Well, it is already selected. What is the course plan ID? Again, read the instructions. Course pricing plan ID here. So you can get the plan ID from the URL, example this, and from where exactly we can actually find it. Well, I have to go to the plan editing URL. Okay, so let me go to the plan editing URL. This is the course, and this is the pricing section of the course. Again, I will find the edit option here. Again, click on that, and finally I have actually found the ID. Okay, copy it, the second number, okay, the second digits. Okay, copy it and paste it here. And now it is asking basically the email address, first name and last name of the person to whom you would like to enroll. Again, I don't need to copy the data from here and paste it here. We will just map the data. How? You can read enter text or map the data. Again, we are going to map it. So click here and you will find the above options here. Now you just need to search for the name. Well, not name here. I want to add the email address. So this is the email address. I have mapped it. First name, again going to search for the name of the user. This is the name of the user. Now last name, again search for the last name. Okay, this is the last name of the user. Finally, I have provided all the information which are actually required to enroll the user to a course. Clicking on save and send test request and wait for the response. You can see success is there. Going back to Zenler and going to refresh this section. Okay, going to open the student section basically. So you can see the name of the user and email address of the user is same, which we have actually enrolled with the help of automation. So that means our automation is working absolutely fine because the person has been enrolled, the student has been enrolled in this particular course. Okay, so now onwards, whenever the course which you have created in Kartra software, if the sale has happened, if the customer buys the product, if that particular product is actually the PHP course only or whatever the course you're going to mention here, if it is going to be true, the condition going to be true, it will be automatically enrolled to a Zenler course. And lot of people ask me that do they really need to do this particular setup again and again? Well, let me tell you, once you have created this automation inside Pabbly Connect, you can simply close Pabbly Connect because everything will going to work in the backend. And this is the job of Pabbly Connect. This is the power of Pabbly Connect. I am also going to attach this share workflow link in my description box so that you can clone this whole scenario directly to your account for free. Okay, you can directly clone this particular setup into your account for free. You just need to provide the credentials of your application. Okay, and this is how you can also create this automation by simply mapping the fields, filling out the data. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.